Nowadays, many of JUKI customers face problems with lack of experienced and skilled staff. JUKI ShuHaRi is a free app which will help to solve those problems. Mobile version helps with machines inspection, while desktop version stores all data and helps to manage the maintenance schedules and history. Your phone can show you inspections procedure step by step, guide to proper part number, instruct about the replacement and adjustment of exchanged part, as well as making final maintenance report, all with one click on your mobile. With clearly explained steps by means of photos, uniform maintenance standards can be implemented in factories regardless of the technician's experience. Desktop version mainly focuses on management functions. It visualizes the state of all machines in factory, not only giving you access to past maintenance history and reports, but also to live information about parts usage in actually processed maintenance. More information can be found on our website. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel to get latest info.